Wow, look at that. It is worth looking. Okay. Yeah. What's in here? Another one. Looks like a big one. Super stuff. How you going, mate? Yes. This is a good one. Is this another pump? I think it is. Let's grab it. Morning, brothers and sisters, frontliners. How you going this morning? As you can see, I've got a couple of crates in here to get me started. I'm going to go light today, only because the old Jeep over here is, I don't want to hurt his feelings. He's been doing a lot of work lately, and yeah, he's starting to arc up a bit, so I better work with him. So let's do some light duties today. This is our first starting spot. Light duties. A lot of toys. Toys in here. More toys. I see that. Someone already interested in what I'm doing. Yep, not too much. Okay, see the battery now. Okay, you can see the battery. See the battery? Right, need a screwdriver. Then, I wonder if someone's been here already, because I think cord's cut already. Yes, I do see a lot of things done already in here. Yep. Alright, grab those. Good. Alright. Okay, get some batteries. Good way to start the day, charge the day up. Put some batteries. Not sure if I've been here before, but we're going to look anyway. What is this? Right. Looks like Dirty Alley. Okay, I think it is Dirty Alley. Let's get it in. You got alley stands. Okay, it's steel. Okay, today guys, I'm not trying to pick up steel. I need to stay away from steel. Gee, it's going to be a good test today whether I can resist taking things. Books. What kind of books? Alright. Nothing in here. Definitely Ellie. And those pieces look a little awkward. Bit of rubbish in there. Where my control? What are they control? One's for these ones. What is this little gadget? Let's add something on it. Under. Wow, look at that. It is worth looking. Wow, that is definitely light duty. It's got to come. Oh, what is this? What is that? Some dock, JBC dock. Okay. Let's put it in. Plastic. That's a little chair. Good condition. Alright, well, let's take this one then. Put up here. Yeah, what's in this guy? Clothes? What kind of clothes? Yep, little kitty clothes. Put it back. Right, grab the dirty alley here. Yep. Let's go get rid of this first. Okay, that's a good start. Some cables. Okay, let's just have a little tutu around here. Let's see what is in these boxes. Nothing. It is what it is. Boxes. Couple of game stuff. Boxes. Game. Boxes. More boxes. There's a big umbrella. See if it's any good. It's got a hole. Okay. We'll put it back. It's got a hole. Books. What's in here? Okay. Looks like it's a clean out. What have we got here? What's in the bag? More boxes. Okay, we're not really going to get much in here because I don't see much going on. It's just boxes. Alright, we'll leave this one. Let's get moving. What have we got here? Yeah, you got a box full of nothing. That's what my mum used to say. You got a box full of nothing. I left my thing over there. Should I grab that? Not sure. Whisk. What's that? Grab that. Grab that. What else we got in here? Oh, a little missing 2 strings. Right. I'm not sure if I should grab that. It's in here. Should have opened it. It's starting to warm up actually. There. More buckets. Okay, we can grab this lot. I guess. One bit of stainless steel in here. Plastic. Oh. Okay, we can gather these. What have we got here? Is that still connected? Where'd it roll? Okay. take that. Tomato in front. Wow, that looks pretty heavy. Cast iron must be. Let's chuck it in. Wrapping paper, boxes. Boxes. Plates. Bag plates. Decoration. That's it. Blanket. Okay. In there, mate. Your only ladle. Oh, what have we got here? It's in a bag. It looks like alley. Cord. Okay, got a cord. Yeah. What's that? Another cord. Cord there. Stainless steel. Oh, sorry guys, I'm bumping over there. What else? Look at this bag. More shoes. Moving in here. Okay, that's it. What is here? Radio. Yep. Can't see that. Radio. Let's move across over here. We got a few electrical things, like a microwave. Gonna have to take the microwave. TV, which is gonna have to go. At least the cord. Oh, burning my leg here. Okay, what's this? Big steamer. Here's a bucket. We also got a couple of those. Okay. Shall we grab these? Okay, we're gonna have to grab them. Alright, I'll just put these away. Let's get back to you. Alright, let's just grab this microwave. What's in the box? There you go. No, nothing. That's steel. Is that steel? If it's inside, I'll go for it. Some alley. tree in here, is there? Battery. Got an oven. Grab those. Definitely. Okay, there's not really much here. Someone's better get ready. Your uncle. Okay, very nice piece. Chuck it in. Okay, hope there's something promising in here. What do we got? Got a couple of pumps. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. All right, get these big bad boys out of here. There's a few of them here. It's Christmas. Little trees. Throw this one out. What else we got here? What's in here? Another one. Looks like a big one. Let's grab them out. This one's it's a big boy. Let's just bring him. There it is. This one. What else is in there? Clothes in the bags. Fences. Ooh. GoPro's coming off. What's under here, mate? Anything special? No. Bags are full of garbage. Yeah. I think we've put out the good stuff here. Nothing else in this. Alright. Let's get rid of these pumps. Just want to have a quick look here. I'm not sure if this is a pump. It looks like a pump. Feels like a pump. I think it's too much plastic for a pump. Here's a blower. This one's a motor one. It's another pump. It's got more plastic. I guess we can take this guy. Alright, let's keep moving. It's a lot of steel in this one. And I'm just doing the light duties today, I guess. I'll take this one. Don't feel half as bad. Get this one in there. There's all these metal. Rubbish in there. Box. Rubbish. There's more rubbish. It's rubbish. More rubbish. Okay. Alright, well I would have picked up all of these, but we're trying to stay away from the steel today. Well, it's an old army hat. Yeah, we'll just leave the steel, except for this one. Alright, let's keep going. Okay, let's have a look. Let's grab this lawnmower. The wire. Sounds okay. What's under here? Plastic. Plastic toys. Boy. Couple of metal poles, spike. That's a little vacuum. Little books. Toys. Chest stuff. Paint. We'll grab this. A couple of things here. Maybe we'll grab those. Solid. Right. I'll grab this motor. Got a cord yet? You neighbour. How you going, mate? Yep, just asked the old neighbour if we can grab it, and we're gonna have to sort all this out. Let's go. All sorts of stuff in there. Some sorting to do for that. Oh, we got these books. Books in there. Yeah, okay. Try those. What else do we have in here? Right. And then air paints, stereo range hood. I think we're going to grab that. Okay. DVDs and those. Yeah. What is this? Okay. Grab that whole thing. Okay, I'll just go grab a vacuum and that's it. Thank you, appreciate that. Thank you. Okay. Let's have a look what's in here. There's some more things. Chili bean, aircon. Radio. Something there. What is this? A monitor. Big monitor. I reckon it works. It's pretty old. Okay. Well, what is that? Dock. Charging dock. Gotta be good. Oh. Okay, we need to cut that off. Alright, we'll just grab these from here. Yes. This is a good one. Okay, let's get them. Heavy bugger. That's it. Let's keep moving. What have we come to this time? Okay, looks like I've seen a few of these things today. Foxtail. Telstra. Okay. What have we got here? Glove. Like some sort of a glove. Very nice. Very, very nice. What have we got here? A little blade. Oh, okay. What's that part of? What could that be? I'm not too sure. It's a nice little shifter. Whatever we call it. Alright. Keep having a little wander around here. Alright, well, keep having a look. What's this? Angry Birds. Angry Birds. Yeah, that look really cool. I like Angry Birds actually. Looking what we can find. This little trolley. Oh, pretty cool. Shopping. Well, we got some broken glass down there. I don't want to get my hands down there too deep. Cut myself. So where I look, that looks like a really good diving pipe. For sure. What we got? What is this? Game thing. Okay, got another cord. What's that? That's one. Alright. Chuck everything in here. Hold it. What else is under there? Cannot see. What is it? Can you see? It's plates. Okay. That looks like a bowl. Little plastic things. In this box. For the books. Okay. All the books in there. Okay. Alright. I think we've gotten what we could get out of here. These. What's that one? I don't think there's anything in that. Box that one yet. Alright, let's grab these and let's keep moving. Oh, we got a shovel and stuff over there. Is this another pump? I think it is. Let's grab it. Somehow pumps are hot today. It's a water pump day. Yep, another pump. This is another one. That's another pump. Look, pump galore today. Today is water pump day. Okay. What is this? Oh, it's a whipper snipper. Now, not too sure about that under there. No, that's the thing. Okay. Grab that. What's in the box? What could this be? I reckon this is. I can't be sure. Asthma pumps. Oh, look how many there is. Oh, asthma pumps. Wait a minute. think that's Ellie.
In the United States, they will take up to 6 of your ashes.
Mm. I think the box is full of them. Picture? Okay. A little sample box. Okay. Looks like some people have been here. What is that? A little more in there, but I can't grab that. Okay, let's roll.